everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup routine. Let's go! I'm going to prime my face using the Smashbox Vitamin Glow Primer. Honestly, just foundation really makes me look really good in comparison because my face has a lot of redness to it. So the fact that it's now one color is really nice. I can tell a big difference. Even though that foundation is really good at covering up my redness, I feel like even afterwards, I still have to go back with a pot concealer and just really get rid of some of my redness and my imperfections. And my skin's usually pretty okay. If I'm being honest, I feel like right now it's probably pretty good. A few weeks ago, it was not this good. It was doing really bad. Now I'm just gonna blend that in. Now I'm gonna go in with concealer. I honestly, since I started seeing a lot of people on TikTok doing their concealer like this, I've been doing it. But I don't know if I see like a big difference or not. They say that it's supposed to make your eyes not, I don't know how to explain it. It's supposed to make your eyes look like elongated. And I feel like I really need that because my eyes are pretty downward. Like, I feel like they're like, you know? I can tell a big difference just because you can't see my under eyes as much. I have really bad under eyes, and that's because I basically don't have a sleeping schedule. I feel like my under eyes are so bad because my sleeping schedule is so messed up. Like, I'll go to sleep at 3 in the morning and I'll wake up at 11, maybe 10. And then some days I'll go to sleep really late, like when the sun's basically getting up. And I'll have to wake up really early, so I feel like not only is that not healthy, but it's starting to show my face. I'm just gonna set my eye area now. And then I'm gonna work that in. I was thinking of doing my makeup back how it used to be when I used to really watch YouTube videos. Like back in 2010. When baking was really in. I've been seeing a lot of people doing it on TikTok and Instagram. So let me know if you guys would be interested in watching that. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Throughout time, because even back when I first uploaded my first YouTube video, my eyebrows used to look so different than they do now. At least that's what I think. You guys might not think the same. I hate doing my eyebrows. They always take forever and I feel like they never look good. Like, I could spend hours doing my eyebrows and I feel like they would still look bad. Like, I just think I'm bad at doing eyebrows. And they never look the same. I know eyebrows are supposed to look like sisters, but I swear my eyebrows freaking look like cousins, like far cousins. Like, it's so annoying. You wouldn't even be able to tell they were related. I'm gonna start by doing my eyes. It's honestly really simple. It's not complicated at all whatsoever. I'm gonna use my bronzer to add a little definition on the crease. Now I'm gonna take a dark brown eyeshadow on an angled brush and draw my eyeliner. I'm gonna put highlighter in my inner corner. Next, I'm gonna be using mascara. I love this mascara so much. It always makes my eyelashes look so pretty. Next, I'm bronzing up my face. Next, I'm just gonna do some little moles under my eyes because I think those are really cute. Now I'm just gonna do blush. Because of the mask, I don't usually put makeup on like past this point because there's no point. You're not gonna be able to see it with the mask. But whenever I go out to eat with friends or something like that, I obviously have to do my makeup like all my face because we're probably gonna take our mask off and eat and stuff like that. But when I'm not going out with friends or stuff like that, like on an everyday basis, I just go to work. Okay, I'm just gonna line my lips now. And now to finish this whole look off, I'm just gonna add some lip gloss. That's it for my everyday makeup look. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!